Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is what I plan to achieve with this channel and I hope we can work together to make this a success. First of all, my name is Malami Adekunle. I am the creative head of Creative Starts, a digital agency that I started years back. We do website design, digital marketing, content writing, and brand strategy. My journey as a creative has taken me through so many different stages and challenges, some of which I am sure many creatives like myself also pass through. This was why I decided to start documenting some of my everyday work challenges and accomplishments so others like myself can see and learn from. I also plan to share weekly tutorials on web design, WordPress, creative writing, UX design, and generally the things you need to be more creative in life. The goal is to transfer as much skill as I have gathered over the years to you. I hope you stay with me as we embark on this journey. Thank you.